Hey, what is up guys? Today I have Honor 7S with me and today we are going to unbox this phone. So yeah, let's get started. So here's the box of this phone and at the back there are some specifications written on it. So first of all we have 5.45 Honor full view display. I guess not. And 13 megapixel real plus 5 megapixel front camera. 3-in-1 dual SIM slot and 3020 milliampere hour large battery. Not that much large, but it would drain in around about 10 to 11 hours usage. And so now let's unbox. I have typical Huawei design. Let me remove this and let's turn the phone on. Side and let's see what's in the box. Here I have a silicone case. Here it is. Put it aside. And some manuals. There is a cable. Now here is an headphone. Sorry, and it's an adapter. This phone does not support fast charging. Till the phone boots up, let's talk about some of its specifications. It comes with 2 gigabytes of RAM and the chipset used in this phone is MediaTek 6739. That is not a powerful chipset, and the Android version installed in this phone is Android Oreo 8.1. Now coming towards its first impressions, the interface that we get from Honor is not pretty cool, plus this wallpaper makes it look even worse. Although the display type that we get is HD+, so we can expect a good amount of detail from this phone. It also comes with 5 megapixels front and 13 megapixels back camera. I personally like Honor's phone designs, but one thing I thought that is missing in this phone is a fingerprint sensor. The body is made of plastic that gives you a cheap feeling. That's it for now. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.